Okay, so anseo tá na focal a bhaineann le an lá Breithe. Alright, so the words that are associated with birthdays. Alright, okay, so anseo tá kosher, so shin kosher, so a party is kosher. Balloon, what's balloon? Pretty easy. So balloon, ceol, so queer Mr. Murphy ceol are on stereo. So music, carta, so what you give someone on the birthday? A carta, so a card. Caca, so a caca is a cake. Quinel, so tá quinel an caca. Anseo tá quinel, so candles. Cola, so nil shiv ábhta Coca-Cola Harnteach. Aráiste, so aráiste. Sup, okay, cabhfuil sup, so sin straw. Milseán, so dish of milseán ag an kosher, so sweets. Crispy, so it sound like, so crispy. Grana roasta then. Called a grana roasta. So grana roasta is popcorn. So you eat at the movies, popcorn, grana roasta. So grana roasta. Okay, so queer shiv na focal, or sorry, na litter stock. So something roasta, so top call gran roasta, so tosin shell a G, so gran roasta. What's this one again? Oráiste, so tá O ag an tús. So queer shiv na litter stock. Agus anseo, so queer an focal ceart in acha le gach pictúr. So anseo tá carta, anseo tá quinel, anseo tá milseán againn, anseo cola. So scríb nó cuirsibh stock leis an typing tool. So cuirsibh is seach gach spás. So bawal gach road lawn, so everything full. I don't want any missing spaces, alright? Because a few of us are leaving out something thinking it's okay. You have to be able to go back and know what these are. So you have to go out of it and leave it in your drafts. Go back and go through the picture that you have done before. Check it on your portfolio and then come back to this and fill it in. Okay? So I do not want to see any of these blank. You should be getting all of these. These are very easy. Alright? August on Decading. So on Wednesday we'll be having a little bit of a Zoom call again, just to refresh us and be able to speak Irish out loud, alright? So on Wednesday we're going to have another Zoom call, so just be prepared for that, alright? Okay, perfect.